Hello everyone, and here I am Soni Goel with the analysis of slot 2. First thing on slot 2 is that quant was on a tougher side. I could do only 19 questions and I keeping my finger crossed के वो 19 के 19 ठीक होने चाहिए. 3 क्वेश्चन मैं नहीं कर पाया. बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन थे जिसमें आपका मिनिमम मैक्सिमा लग रहा था. टीटा क्वेश्चंस बहुत ज़्यादा थे and lots of question were giving value of x. You find the x. There were some sitters also, like how many prime numbers are there from 1 to 50. So ऐसे बहुत easy questions भी थे, but most of the questions are layered, and I think we should classify quant to be on a difficult side. In DILR, none of the set was a sitter, right? All the set has complexities. One of the set was based on the mean median mode, and there the funda of median was to be applied, and it required a lot of possibilities. So I will put that set as the hard set. There was one set based on the scheduling of the rides. That was a kind of a doable set, but still there was confusion. But ठीक है, 12-13-14 मिनट में निकलने वाला set था. And there was one more set which was based on your allocating the values, right? Their minimum maximum value. वो भी एक set doable था, but I took around 13 minutes to solve that particular set, right? Though I could get all 5 right, but 13 minutes it took. And another set, it was too lengthy. I better left it as it was. And coming to verbal, there were 4 RCs as the pattern. One of the RC was I think doable, not that difficult, very easy to comprehend. But rest 3 RCs, either the questions were difficult or the paragraph understanding it was difficult. And I could attempt 3 RCs, and again hoping for all of them to be right. There was one point which was mentioned that it is a mandatory question,
Yes,
right?
First time.
First time.
Yes.
I don't know, I haven't done that.
That is a para question.
Para-jumble
It was
question.
mandatory to do. Like you have to put either values. Although it was a theta question.
Yeah, so I don't know what does it mean, a mandatory question, like what they will do if you don't do that question, right? So that thing was not clear, that what are the repercussions of not doing that question. And it was not mentioned in the instructions also that there is a mandatory question. So overall verbal moderate, and DILR moderate to difficult. ठीक है, difficult side ही था, और quant was surely hard, right? Difficult. So we have with us 2 students who just appeared in my slot. So this was my view. Let us ask their view. You just tell what is your view on paper, all 3 sections,
Yes.
whatever you want to say.
So basically, according to as a level of a student, the paper was basically hard, especially the DLR section. Only one set we were able to make. I could also make half set of another one, but still the questions were not comprehensible. And in VRC, we had 2 easy passages and 2 tough passages. And for quant, I could only attempt 9 questions. Those 9 questions were also from easy to moderate. I did not touch the difficult questions because they were consuming a lot of time.
Right. So guys, I think the selection of question is the key here, because it will not be possible to attempt all the questions. See, I tried attempting all the questions with a very high speed, but I could do only 19, right? So one question I was trying to solve, but couldn't reach, and in the meantime I could see the timer clicking 00. So 2 questions, even I haven't read those 2 questions. So the key is the selection. Yes, your take.
Sir, mine was also the same. The VRC 2 passages were quite doable, and according to me, para summary was also doable, but it consists of lot of para jumble and odd one out. DILR, according to me, I was only able to make only one set, and quant was also a difficult side, according to me.
Okay, so overall, the news is that this particular paper where quant was on a hard side, and there was a lot of question with algebra, as was it in the first slot also. In the DILR set, except one set, 3 sets were really time consuming, and in VARC 2 easy sets, 2 difficult sets. PJs were, I haven't attempted one, but the para summary questions was easy. the questions with fill in the blank where you have to, that was also doable, very easy. So maybe if you want to score more, the focus should be on doing the doable question. So plucking the low hanging fruit is can be said the best strategy for this paper. As far as cutoffs is concerned, we will do a detailed session in the evening and we will talk about that. Thank you very much, and all those who are going to slot 3 and watching this video, quant is always first slot, second slot, both slot difficult है, तो ध्यान से करना है, क्वेश्चन सिलेक्शन अच्छे से करनी है. DILR सेट yes, 1 सेट सिलेक्ट करना होगा, कौन सा करना है, 2 हो जाए तो बहुत बढ़िया है. तो 2 सेट would be a very good attempt in DILR. And as far as VARC is concerned, it depends on your individual level, right? People with good efficiency have done 100% paper, and some of with poor efficiency they have find 2 RCs to be very difficult. But PJs and para summary can be done easily. So thank you very much for joining. Please do share and join us in the evening for the third slot analysis. Thank you.